So come on, जो लोग रट्टा मार रहे हैं, मैं कई बार आप लोगों को सिखा चुका हूँ. I have told you several times, guys, you cannot speak a story on the stage with emotions by cramming. Cram करके कोई कहानी सुना ही नहीं सकता कभी. You tell the story when you realize, when you relate the story, when you feel the story from inside. When do you tell the story properly? When you feel from inside, yes, it happened with me. I did this, I did that. तब आप कहानी को बोल पाते हैं फीलिंग्स के साथ. Without feelings, with words only, you cannot tell any story. तो हमेशा जब भी मैं आपको टास्क देता हूं बोलने के लिए, आपको उसे रट्टा नहीं मारना है.
American Institute एक मिसाल.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I am Monica Singh. Today I am going to tell a regretful story of my life. So shall I start?
Yes.
When I was 15 years old, one day I decided today I would ride bike, and secretly I took bike and went. And my brother saw me and he tried to stop me, but I did not. And after going ahead, I saw a man standing and who was a friend of my father. And as I saw, I got nervous and I hit him.
Oh.
I hit him with the bike, and he fell down. And I ran to the temple, leaving bike on the road. And after some hours, my brother came to took me from temple. My friend of my father, he was told my father about it. And when I went go home, my mother came to knew about it, and she scolded me. And my father started laughing at me, and I started crying. And then my father consoled me, and that day I realized I should have listened to my brother, and I should not have done it. Thank you.
Good. Very nice effort. Lekin, did you notice something? She was looking nervous at some points.
Yes.
Why to get nervous? Enjoy the story. You enjoyed the scene. You bumped into your father's friend, right? So you should know. अपने हाथों ऐसे लूज सा नहीं पकड़ेंगे, टाइट रखेंगे, उन्हें 5 उंगली आपस में करो, ऐसे टच, ऐसे नहीं, क्रॉस नहीं, टच फिंगर्स, ठीक है, ऐसे करके. और जब सीधे खड़े हो जाओ, बिल्कुल कोशिश करो सीधे खड़े होने की. अगर आपके पैरों में रॉड नहीं डली हुई तो सीधे में खड़ा हो ना, ऐसे खड़े होने की कोशिश करो. हाथों को इधर ले जाएंगे, वापस वहीं लाएंगे, फिर ऐसे हिलाते रहेंगे, आप थोड़ा मूव करते रहेंगे, है ना, थोड़ा ऊपर थोड़ा नीचे ऐसे. उसके बाद एनर्जी से गुड मॉर्निंग जो है आपकी, गुड इवनिंग है, उससे पता लग जाएगा परफॉर्मेंस कैसी रहेगी. अगर आपने बोला गुड इवनिंग तो ठीक बोलोगे, तब लोग गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन तो आप और अच्छा बोलोगे. सो एनर्जी गुड इवनिंग से ही दिखानी है आपको. कैसे बोलेंगे सब लोग? गुड धीरे से और इवनिंग से. गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. क्या बोलेंगे? फिर से बोलो. अरे फिर से बोलो. हाँ, ऐसे बोलेंगे. चलिए 1 2 3 स्टार्ट.
Good evening, everyone.
Good
My name is
evening.
Mannat Kaur. Now I am sharing about the story of regret. There are two friends. There were two friends, Riya and Anaya. Riya had planning her best friend's birthday, Anaya. She had even bought a bracelet, a special gift for her. A day before a night, Riya was very tired, and she was saying, I should wrap the gift now. She thought, I'll do it in the morning. Morning came in a rush, and she forgot to take a gift at home. As Anaya opened her presents, and Riya said silently, I should wrap the gift last night. She whispered to herself. On the way back, Riya was thinking, I must responsible next time for this mistake. Thank you.
रिग्रेटफुल का मतलब होता है पछतावे वाली कहानी. जिसमें आपका खुद का रिग्रेट होता है, दूसरों की कहानी नहीं सुनानी थी, खुद की सुनानी थी।
मैंने तो खुद दूसरे
आपने कमांड दे दी चैट जीपीटी को, टेल अ स्टोरी अपॉन रिग्रेट, उसने बना दी, यही हुआ। वर्ड्स ऐसे लग रहे थे कि कहीं और से गूगल से या चैट जीपीटी से कराई है,
हाँ मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा तो
नहीं करना था, थोड़ा सा भी खुद की कहानी बनानी थी। अगर आप कभी चैट जीपीटी की हेल्प लेना चाहो ना कभी आप, तो पहले उसे अपनी कहानी सुनाओ, फिर उससे कहो कि इस कहानी को थोड़ा सुंदर कर दे भाई, ब्यूटीफाई दिस स्टोरी, दिस इज द वे टू प्रैक्टिस। ये नहीं कि आप पूरा आइडिया उसी से ले लो कि तुम बनाओ कहानी।
Good evening, everyone. I am Niharika, and today I am going to share a regretful story of my life. So, shall I start?
Yes.
When I was 6 years old, I visited to Bangalore and went to a trampoline park there. I enjoyed very much with my family. I insisted to climb a climbing wall there. My mother tried to stop me, but I did not. Then my father said, yes, that you can go on the wall. Then I climbed the wall and I slipped off the wall. Then I got injured and I was crying. Then my father consoled me and said that next time when you will grow, you can try one more time. That day I realized that I should have listened to my mother. Thank you for listening to me.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Today I am here to tell you a regretful story of myself. So it's a little bit funny as well. So once when I was in nursery class, so at that time whenever I eat something oily, so I got vomiting. But one day in school, I was brought some fritters, pakode, in my lunch. So I finished my lunch up, but after some time, I feel vomiting. I was very shy, so I vomited in my lunch, and my teacher was checking the lunches. So when she came to me, she said, "What is this?" So I said, "Ma'am, this is black salt, and I mistakenly pour water in it." Then my teacher hold it and smell it, and then she said, "It's is it vomiting?" So I tell her yes, and everyone was laughing at me. So that was it was shameful for me. So it's a grateful, है ना? So thank you.
We were expecting a story based upon regret, but it was the funny story, I think.
Regret भी तो है.
If it was a regretful story, you should have said at the end of the story, I thought later that I should not have done such kind of stupidity.
Hello everyone. Hello. I am Mohit and now I am going to tell a story. So shall I start?
Yes.
It was a month of January. My board was almost come. My parents told me that you need to work hard for it. But I took it lightly because I got 90% in my 9th class. So I was very overconfident that I also got in 10th class also. But I got bad result in my 10th. And that day I realized I need to work hard on that day. Thank you very much for listening to me.
I should have.
I should have worked hard on that day. Thank you very much.
Good. Clapping for him.
Good evening, everybody. Today I am here to recite a regretful story of my life, which have been happened in the past. Once upon a time, when I was a 10-year, I used to go school by walk. Once a time, I saw two students were hanging behind the auto rickshaw. Then I have realized that if I would use that conduct, that action, that I can save my time as well as energy. So on the next day, I was also hanging behind the auto rickshaw. but I did not have an idea how to leave the rickshaw when I wanted to get it from the rickshaw. Then suddenly I fall down on the road, and I got a lot of injury at my face as well as my body. On that time, I was thinking how to conceal that injury from my parents. The whole day I was thinking that thing. When I arrived at my home, my mother has inquired me how you got that injury. But I was prepared for that question, and I told him I got injury while playing. The next day, when I had consult with a doctor has suggested to me bed rest for the 3 days. Then I have realized that I should not have follow the other action. I should have made your path, and then you will get whatever you want. Thanks to all of you.
Sir Rahul spoke very confidently. He had a great energy. He had proper body language. He used his gestures, movements of hands properly. But problem was, where was the problem? No. It is required. This is called good speaking. आप जैसे बच्चों समझ थोड़ी आएगा वो ऐसे वो चीज़ जैसे बोलते थे. That is real public speaking. Problem थी with formation. सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर पे प्रॉब्लम थी. ठीक है, कहीं पे आपने वॉज लगा दिया जहाँ पे सीधा सेकंड फॉर्म आनी थी, मम्मी को आपने ही बना दिया, तो इस तरह से थोड़ी मिस्टेक हो गई थी. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, वी आर लर्निंग. और आपका तो मेरे दूसरी तीसरी बार आए होंगे स्टेज पे, तो ही इज न्यू टू अमेरिकन, तो इसी थोड़ी बहुत मिस्टेक्स होंगी अभी, बट विद द टाइम वी विल लर्न हाउ टू स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली. वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी क्लैपिंग फिर से हो जाएंगे. ओके, हु
Good evening, everyone.
गुड इवनिंग.
My name is Rahul, and today I am going to share one of my regretful story. It was around 4 to 5 months ago. I asked my uncle to teach me how to drive a car. The car is parked aside of a wall, and there is a pole ahead. He started teach me to
ड्राइव.
drive that car. When I remove my leg from the clutch, I just banged the car ahead of the pole, and this caused to break the bumper, and this cost around 3,000 rupees. I should not have asked. I think I should not have asked him to teach me to how to drive a car, so it didn't cost him much.